Hello guys, this is Roy from Ariana Meaningful Wardrobe Club, Winnipeg, Manitoba, Canada. And for this video, yesterday I just did MS gear cover and the battery lock simple upgrade. So today I'm going to do the version 2. So people whoever watching this 2 video, and you can check and compare which one you prefer to go with. So let's start with the video. Let's go. Okay, so here I just took off the part 1, the version 1 setup. So I take everything out. So now we're gonna start with the version 2, okay? Okay, so for here we just need to put the washer to make sure the plate that we are going to use is same level as the chassis. Okay, so here I have some leftover parts for popsicle and front plate. Okay, and here I'm going to show you how to using those to lock your motor gear cover. Okay, so as you can see, I took a leftover popsicle and I put it on the front screws. Then you can see on this front, it's longer than the bottom of the gear covers. So here what we need to do is we need to trim it. But here I have the front plates. Then I have already get it done already. So here you can take a look at it how it works. So here, as you can see, I just slide it in, and because the left side is thicker, right side is thinner, so I'm using this to cover the thicker side, so that way we can straight just lock the top, and by using the lock nut as well to lock this plate to make sure the gear cover is not easily moved. Okay, so here you can see like the one I had it before, like this one I already do some modifications on this one. But if you are using the regular gear cover, so you can see here I made a small, like here's a cutting over here. Basically that one is for the, if you are still using the regular gear cover, so that will be like this, because you can see here is the battery lock spot. So I do the cutting like this, so it will fit the shape. Okay, so same thing for the popsicle. So either you cut these pieces off, then you can straight using the popsicle and to just trim to the right size to the gear cover. Okay, so here I have this one here, but it's a little bit too long. As you can see, is over here the gear cover. So here I have another one is already cut. Okay, so it will fit just like this. Then same thing, we just put the lock nuts. Okay, so here I will show you how to using this rubber tube to make the battery lock. Okay, so let's go. Okay, so first thing we have to do, we just using the scissor and just cut this rubber tube so it become like this. Okay, just cut in half. And also here there's already 2 strips that I already cut off. Okay, and you can cut more if you want. You can want to make it thicker. That's your choice. Is okay. But for me, I'm just gonna using this much. Okay. For here, I'm going to apply a little bit crazy glue and to make sure the rubber tube strip that we cut off can be stick on the side, and to make sure the battery won't move easily. So here you can see the left and right, I just apply the crazy glue and put it on. Then after that we're gonna do something on the rubber tube strip. Okay, so here we're just using the file to sand the rubber strip, the surface round shape for us to easy to slide the battery in. Okay, so after I cut it, the rubber tube, then I just place the rubber tube right on the side over here, so you can see is right over here and this right over here. Okay, and the other thing is for this to using this way to lock your battery, I realized there's one thing is make this much more stable and make sure your battery is not moving easily, is you can put something like sponge break or whatever behind the terminal. Okay, so that will make sure this can tighten more, so make sure the battery won't come off. Okay, so now I'm going to show you how it works. So as you can see, okay, so this is how it is. Then we can try to push out the battery. And try to push out the battery. So it's not that easy right now. Okay, and also we can check the gear cover. So I tried to pull it, so it didn't move at all. So same thing as the back. Okay, so this is how it works. So this is the simple modification for the gear cover. Okay, so this is today's video, and if you have any question, please leave your question and the comment at the bottom. I will reply to you as soon as possible. And if you like this video, you want to see more video like this, please like, subscribe, and share this video. Alright, thank you very much. Don't forget to press the bell, so if I have the new video, then you will know it right away. Thank you, I'll see you next time.